Hi there. For today's reading activity, we are going to be focusing on problem and resolution. So let's go ahead and write today's date, 1-12-21. Okay? Now what I'd like for you to do is this. Get your page and fold it, open it, get your pencil. Let me actually get a different color marker, something you can see a little better with. Okay, and draw a line down, write problem, resolution. Okay. Alright, so what you're going to do now is I would like for you to draw the problem from today's drama, Little Red Riding Hood. Alright, so there was a problem that happened to Little Red, right? Yes. So, and then there was a resolution to her problem. So all I'm asking you is to write problem and resolution, split up your page, and draw the problem. And then draw the resolution. Please take your time in your drawing. Don't go super fast where your teacher can't recognize what you're drawing, okay? And if you have time, maybe you can use some colors to really add some details to your pictures. And if you have time and you'd like, and I really recommend this, maybe write a sentence to match your picture. But what I do need from you is to draw the problem from Little Red Riding Hood and the resolution, okay? From today's story. Remember, today's story wasn't like the other ones. It had Abuela, Coyote, and we had tortillas, right? So that's a little bit different than the other Little Red Riding Hood books that you may have heard in the past, okay? So, again, and I'm going to write this on the slide. Draw me a picture of the problem in today's play and the resolution in today's play. If you have time, and it'd be really nice, write a sentence to match your picture. Don't forget to turn in your work.